What up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another vlog on the one and only Notorious Artist Styling page channel. Sorry, being MIA for the last month or so. You know, life has sort of took a toll on me. We only get 24 hours in a day, and by the time I start planning and wanting to vlog, on some days it starts fucking raining, and then shit just never goes to plan and all that. But here we are today. Thought I'll jump on the camera, give you guys a lazy update and a bit of a vlog. Damn, it's been a bit of a fast play in the last month or so. If you guys have been following me on my social medias, you would know I've sold my VYSS, the black ute, 6-speed manual cammed. That was my only intentions. I got it for a good deal. And you know, it's just a quick flip. Even though I love that thing, it was fucking low Ks, cammed, made like 300 plus kilowatts, factory sunny, red leather. All I needed was a high-rise manifold, maybe bags all around, and that would have been the go-to for this summer, I reckon. But we gotta keep moving forward, you feel me? You know, if I stay in the same lane, like, am I ever gonna get to the next goal? I ain't, if I'm gonna hold on to things, you know what I mean? So I had to let the VYSS go. Also, my VZ SV6 also sold as well. Sold it back to the actual, not the guy I bought it off, but the guy that guy bought it off. So yeah, sold that as well. Also, my Subaru WRX, that's gone. Like, that's nearly 3 cars in a month or so. You know, fucking, when I get cars, I fall in love with them too quick, you know. But you know, it's 2022. We should be out here fucking, you know, getting these goals, keep moving forward, you know, staying nasty, keeping that shit wavy. And I had to pull the strings on all the whips. Fucking, yeah, one thing about the Subi, I loved it, but you know, me and the bros went out to dinner. I thought it would be a good idea to go on this dirt road, because when I first got the car, that's why I took it, and fuckers, yeah, you know, yeah, the boys. And then I took the car back there, and then we all went out for dinner again. And then, yeah, I tried it, and oh, yeah, I think I sent it a bit too hard, and things started knocking, and that's why you guys never really seen it on camera. I was looking up engines. By the time I got coilovers, wheels, got a tune, you know, all that shit's just gonna add up when, yeah, someone offered me a good deal. So I just thought, enough with all the headaches, you know, trying to get the car, engine, wheels, coilovers. I had to pull the engine out. Yes, it would have been good for on the channel, you know, that's a couple of vlogs and that, but when you kind of add up the pros and cons, that deal was just too good at the time, and that's why I had to let it go. So I thought I would give you the update on all 3 of the cars. So we've sold the VYSS Ute, the black one, sold the VZ SV6, sold the Subaru. The bro Solo sold his red Rodeo that was chilling there. So you're wondering, oh shit, what does the bro have now? Yes, we've got a VF Ute. It's only SV6, but got it for a good deal. Once again, I only got this just to, you know, make it a little bit more nasty. Add a few stickers here and there, paint stuff, wrap stuff, and then pretty much fuck it off. These are worth quite a bit, you know, and for the price I paid, shit, that's nasty. So that's what we're doing on today's vlog. We're gonna be stickering it up. I'll give you a little bit of a look. Already blacked out the number plates, blacked out the headlights as well. They still need a bit of a buff, but we'll worry about that later. But the best part is the interior. Oh, shout out to my little sister for chucking this on the car. Look at that LV though. The badges were up there. I relocated them, made a little custom gauge panel to sit in there. Went to air ride, got a remote, vinyl wrapped all of this up, custom print LV Louis Vuitton. What do you guys reckon? You like it? I definitely do. Had straight pipes, but not in V6s in my opinion. I just went back to stock. But yeah, here she is. Came on SSVs, but we had to get some Lenzos. Already painted them up. Staggered, 9 fronts, 10 rears. You'll be amazed though. We can roll aired out on this. Literally, aired the fuck out. Dirty as. But that's cool and all. Probably bring the whip over here. And yeah, let's get on to getting the car stickered up, eh? And I forgot the fucking keys. Fuck. Okay, round 2s. Don't you love a good interior? Ignore that noise. That's just the lazy airbag. Hasn't been driven all day, so we'll let it warm up a little, and then move it into the open, so we can work with a bit more room. And then we'll start on the rear sticker, do the front banner, maybe even pull out those tail lights, give them a lazy tint or so, and we'll just go with the flow. So ready for the cam. Fucking BM shifters on, Zeddy. Ignore that's from the previous owner, but we sick here around here. Oh, fuck up. That's one thing I hate about VFs. The fucking noise. There we go. Oh shit, air it out. Damn, Zeddy. This is the best part. There we go. Damn. She's looking like a bit of a snack, eh? Dirty as F, but we'll get there. So yeah, that's the update for you guys. We've got no more cars. We've only got one car. But that's cool and all. You know, like I said from the get-go, we're always gonna have many cars on this channel. It's not gonna be just one. We're gonna have one, sell that to buy another, and just keep working our way up to the top. But here we go. Low-key have owned this car for like a few weeks now. Got it ready for it, cleared the EPA on it, got it transferred. But it's time to get this rear sticker on, eh? They're probably thinking, oh, what are we going with, you know, for the rear sticker and front banner? Do we run it like this, you know, loud and open? Or we change it up a little to suit the interior of the VFU? So you already know, your boy had to go with this. You know, we drippy. LV on there to match the interior. Then we've got the plain satin black banner along with the gloss black LV front sticker, just to keep it subtle. The rear end's gonna pop along with the calipers, and also the interior, the black's just gonna tie in together with all the blackouts. to me, I think that's 2 birds, 1 stone. If we get a bit of time, I also want to take the spotter off as well, because we've got another one. Yeah, not really a fan of this, you know, each to their own, but nah, I want to change it up. So yeah, let's get these rare stickers on, eh? Okay, so we've, you know, sprayed, wiped it down. We're gonna get some tape. Tape in the middle, in the center. All my stickers come centered up for you, just to help you out a little bit more. Sort of have an eye for it. I normally go off this. Probably around there. Tape it up. Go to the rear of the car. Have a look. We're a little off. It's all right. Get the tape. Bring it over just a tad. I think we got a done deal, guys. Yep. Okay, once you're happy with it, you know, you went to the rear of the car, had a look. Yep, that's done. Now, need a squeegee, a blade, peel this up, cut the backing off, just like that. Squeegee down, take this tape off, and pretty much vice versa. Come on this side, peel up, then we peel this off. Take your time. And there we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you put a rare sticker on. Damn, doesn't look too shabby, eh? Low key. Kind of suits it, to be honest. LV on there, LV on there. Just gonna give it another lazy wipe down, and then we'll move on to the front banner. Just scrape off any dirt, you know. Front window takes a lot. Plus, I haven't really fucking cleaned this car because I'm useless. Don't worry about my dog. He's just trying to scrap the people walking past the house. Chuck you up right there. how's your guys' day going anyways? You having a good day? Mine's not too bad. Even though you guys didn't ask. Don't even know where this vlog's gonna take us, but those are the best ones, you know? Going with the flow. Just give it one more wipe. We're always going to have cars on the channel, always going to be doing banners. I don't want to bore you guys with this stuff, you know, you guys have seen it on all the cars. So you already know how it is. Bang, over, squeegee, you know, cut, put the sticker on. And there you go. So I'll see you guys when it's all on and that, you know. Just got the front banner all finished up. And yeah, she's pretty on. You know, it's that subtle popping type of vibe, you feel me? You know, we could have went loud like this, but we never really drive this. This is more like a weekender, whereas this is probably a daily driver to whenever it sells or whenever I chuck it up for sale. But do you guys like it? I definitely do. Not satin black, it's gloss black on satin black. I reckon it just adds to the front end, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I could have went black on red, but I'm kind of digging it. Come to the rear. Whew. Now, I'm thinking I'm gonna take these tail lights out and I want to tin them. I'm not really digging the, you know, the three-way color. Red, clear red. So yeah, I'll see what I might do. I might mask that off and just do that red and leave that clear, or I'll do the whole thing red, but we'll see how we go, eh? So yeah, let's start working on the rear tail light. I might do one off camera so we can see what she looks like, and if it looks pretty Gucci, then we'll do it all. But you know, that side's fine. You come to this side, I don't know, it kind of really annoys me, this shit. That's why I was thinking of tinning it, just to hide the, you know, all the moist and all that shit in the tail light. But yeah, let's get that shit done deal, eh? Go. Ended up getting one of the tail lights on the passenger side done. That's the one with all the fucking moisture inside the tail light itself. Yeah, we could fucking chuck a heat gun in there and get all that moisture out, but over time it's just gonna come back, you know. And we're not out here keeping the car for years, and that we just straight, you know, do a bit of things, enjoy it for like a month or two, and then chuck it up for sale and say you later, mate. But yeah, have a look. Doesn't look too bad in my opinion. Yes, you can still see it, but at least it's not so noticeable, whereas you could have seen it on there. But this, it doesn't, you know, you can't, like shit, I can't really tell, and fucking I'm a picky cunt. So we're gonna be doing the other side. Low-key like it. Different. Goes with the red theme as well. Using the old red nightshade. So give it about 3 or 4 coats and we should be Gucci. Don't worry about my little masking up in that. Car still needs a cut and polish, so yeah. A little bit overspray won't hurt. Give it a young shake. Yep, ready to go. And of course, this decides to fuck out. Fuck. It's alright. We'll heat it up and go again. That's one coat. We've got about 3 or 4 more to go. And then we'll take this spoiler off, eh? My bad, low-key forgot to, well, I pushed record, but as my phone sits on this tripod, it must have fucking pushed the fucking button. Obviously stopped recording. Here's me talking to myself. Go back to play it. Oh, come on. But we got it finished up and fuck. Pretty happy with it. I like it, eh? Full read it out, you know, fucking fuck more. Nah, just joking. Anti-gang related. Here we go. Sheesh. I'm digging it. That side, you know, you can still see it, but then you can't, you know what I mean? Look at the rear end. I reckon that's a bit of a done deal. What's your guys' thoughts? You like it? Hit that like. If you don't like it, subscribe. If you know, getting jiggy with it, drop a comment. But I'm happy with that. Tried to get the old pull the tape off, you know, the old slow-mo, but yeah, the no record. Couldn't even tell. That's another mod done. We've got the rear sticker on. The black on black front banner on. Tinted the tail lights. Moved the gauges. Lazy custom pod gauge surround in the VF. Vinyl wrapped the interior with a custom LV print in red. Shout out to JG for painting up the calipers red when he owned it. Blacked out the headlights. And now we're gonna be taking this fucking spoiler off to chuck this motherfucker on. This one looks so much better. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this because this shit's glued up. But we'll figure it out. So yeah, let's get that spoiler off here, guys. And to be honest, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Or maybe like that. Fuck me. This is gonna be a lot of fun, isn't it? Fuck. Damn. I'm gonna be here for fucking ages. Fuck. Get there. But hey guys, it's all gonna be well worth it, you know? It's all gonna be well worth it. Trust me. Not sure why you would glue this, but oh well, each to their own. It's pretty much how I'm gonna do it for the rest, for another fucking hour. So I don't want to bore you guys with this shit. I'll just get all the glue off and we'll chuck the new one on, eh? But if anyone's keen, yeah, hit me up if you want to buy this. Suits VEVF. Slide on those DMs. I'll see you guys shortly. Just got the spoiler on, and that looks so much freaking better. It was a bit of a counter fit because of you know, all the old glue from the previous owner and all that. So it's a little bit off, like we're talking about 5 mil on the other side, but you're never gonna know. That's me being picky. I reckon that spoiler just sets it for the youths. Let me know if you guys agree. Same as the tail lights. You know, I just reckon it completes it very well. That rear end looking mighty fine. But yeah, rear sticker. Fuck, doesn't she look amazing? I don't know what. It's dinner time now, so gonna have a quick munch, and then we might go wash the whip. What up, Gil?
Hello.
How was work?
It was great.
Awesome. This is what we got for dinner. Lazy garlic bread, veggies, steak, some potato. Smash that munch out. And, oh shit, not to lock the brew out. Shit, we locked up. Oh, this guy. Yeah, so quick dinner. And yeah, we'll hit the road to the car wash, eh? Dinner, babe?
Oh, good.
Beautiful. Already. And there. A view with a view. Oh yeah, if anyone's keen. Got some lanyards and that. Black, purple, green, yellow.
Yellow, black. The green one. And I think the purple one's the best one.
Yeah.
I like the purple one.
Purple's pretty.
Purple or yellow. The yellow you can't really see the writing though, so.
Yeah, they kind of fucked that up, but oh well. There we go. Let's smash this back. Okay, babe. Yeah, probably waste of time going to the car wash because, you know, God decided, nah, fuck ya, we'll just make it rain. But I figured, told you guys we would go to the car wash for you, so I figured why not, you know. So that's what we're up to. Don't worry about the exhaust leak. Previous owner things and that. About to air up.
I did turn the thing off.
Look at that fucking interior.
Oh, now we gotta wait because someone turned off the compressor.
Not too shabby, eh? So, raining. Logic has, go wash the car.
Only for you guys, right?
Yeah, only for you guys. Gonna drive all that. Gonna be there for like 5 minutes, washing it, all that. Just only drive out and end up dirty, but
Priorities.
it is what it is. Shout out to Aero for that lazy remote. Shout out to Notorious Auto Styling for that lazy drip. Not bad, eh? Not a bad setup. Air out, left, right, up.
Down.
But you know, we like to keep it at 0 psi things. So yeah, that's us. Made it to the car wash. Figure we'll give it a young clean for you. Looking like a bit of a young snack. Ooh. Put that back in. Catch me aired out. How about that? So that's those cinematic views in there. 3, 2, 1, nasty. like that little lazy cinematic. Don't worry, I'm still rookie, still trying, you know what I mean? I ain't no professional, I'm just trying to get it done.
We just want to change it up from the backyard.
Yeah, change it up. Always want to change it up. We need to do more, do better for you guys, you know, so you cunts don't get bored. But I feel like some ice cream, so that's me. We're gonna do a quick trip to Macca's, and then yeah, head home. So we'll see you guys when we get home, mate. Made it home safely, guys. We got our dessert. One for the dogs and one for us. There we go. Here you go, babe. Hey? Nah. There we have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little update on this vlog. You know, sold the VYSS, sold the Rexy, sold the VZ SV6. The bro Solo sold his Rodeo also. It's you know, good things come to those who wait, you know. And that's why we have a VFU on the channel. I don't know for how long, because most of my cars are just straight get them, do a few things, get them on the channel, you know, flip, wheel and deal. Gotta make some money somehow, you know what I mean? Mate, this thing's gonna be staying for a couple of years, so you already know this shit's gonna be nasty. I still got mods ready to go for it, but you know, can't give you everything. You know, this right here is is on some daddy shit right here. So gotta stay tuned. That's where you go and subscribe to make sure you keep up to date with the next future vlogs. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Gonna be doing more things to this ute. Like always, if you enjoyed it, make sure you drop a fucking like. If you're fucking with this vlog, make sure you drop a comment, because why the not? If you haven't already, go over and subscribe, because you know it really means a lot to me. Each time we drop a vlog, that's more views, that's more likes, more comments, more subscribers. We're trying to get to that 1,000, so wouldn't be possible without each and every single one of yous. But love and leave yous. I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to always stay fucking wavy and keep it nasty, baby. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Nice go, baby.